How to register to AirAsia account. So if you want to register to AirAsia account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and search for AirAsia. Once you've searched, here you will have AirAsia online booking, which is www.airpaz.com. Click on that. So you can simply go for sign in if you already have an account. But if you want to create or register, go for the register, which is on the upper right. And enter your email address and then click on continue. But you can also register with your Facebook or Google. So you can also go with your mobile number, but I'll be choosing email. Click on continue, and here you will get the verification code to the email address which you have just entered. So open up your Gmail, and here you will get the verification code. So just simply copy the verification code, paste that verification code here, and tap on verify. And once you verify, now you need to enter your full name, and then the email address, the phone number, and you need to create password. So tap on password, and then you need to create a strong password, and you need to again confirm your password. And once you enter your password, click on get started, and that's it. Your account has been created. So that's how you can create your AirAsia account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.